I found the prettiest Christmas garland. I found this on Amazon and knew it would be perfect for our fireplace. I'd use these mantle hooks to hold the garland. I started with a strand of 15-foot garland because I wanted it to go all the way to the bottom, and then I added a strand of the 9-foot garlands.
Let's style these LED Christmas tree candles. I found them on Amazon and they came in a pack of 3. They're battery operated, so you can use a remote to control them. And I also needed some new candlestick holders, so I sourced these gorgeous antique brass ones from Amazon as well, and they fit perfectly into my Christmas decor this season. And the remote control comes with a bunch of different features. I love the candle flicker feature on there. So if you guys love these items as much as I do, you can find them linked in my bio.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a